Hello everyone. Welcome to the WPAT Partners meeting. Before we start, let's go over the disclaimer. Okay. WPAT is not a broker nor a solution for a financial planning. And it's a warning, Forex is a leveraged product which may not be suitable for all investors as it carries a high degree of risk to invested capital. You are advised to have full understanding of the risk involved before you trade or invest. If required, please seek independent advice. Let's say what's Forex? Basically, Forex is the largest market in the world. The difference between the Forex with other financial products, basically, it is an open market for retail and seasonal traders and investors. Reason why people want to do Forex and reason why Forex is better or more attractive than other financial product is because first it's a 24 hours trading, and it is a largest market size, meaning on a daily trading volume in a Forex, it is $5.3 trillion on a daily turnover. The only financial product that is legally allowed to provide high leverages. For example, 1 to 500 leverage is considered a high leverage. And it is a lower cost to trade than most financial products. Because of most financial products, financial planner takes high percentage of commissions. Or there are always commissions on every transactions in other financial products. And Forex is most transparent market in finance. And why is that? It's mainly because every broker, they may have different pricing because of the spreads, but the movement of the market is almost identical from liquidity provider to liquidity provider. So the Forex market, okay. Now let's move on to the Forex market. This is like the start of business for you to how to make money, and that's how to start doing the Forex marketing. Basically, there are three key players. First, there's introducers. Basically, it means, to bring people to join. And the second is traders. It does the trading. And three, the investors. Basically meaning people with the money that really wants to invest. They understand the risk of the investments and they want to invest, hoping for returns. And they don't want to do it themselves. They want people to do it for them. So basically, these three main players in the Forex market that creates the whole Forex markets. Now, what are the tools that people can use in Forex? Because we heard that there are the introducers, that bring people to trade. So what if people doesn't know how to trade? And what if you're the investor? Okay, what are you looking for? And the investor, you're looking for somebody that has the knowledge and you're just gonna gamble it? No, that's not how we do it here. So in Forex, obviously there are tools open for everyone. The tool is gonna be like, first, the EA, the fund managers, and the education centers. Okay, but what are the commons for these three tools? Yeah, they all have to pay first. Well, some will have to pay advance first, so you can get the service. Basically, if you are to working with us, and when you actually want to make money from the broker, from the Forex markets, basically, who are the main people you want to work with? It would be here. Show me the money. Okay, there are two characters that you want to look for. First, the investor. They basically are the people who wants to invest, understand the risk, and they don't have an investment method. They basically rely on somebody with the knowledge, and these are people with the money. Okay, and the second type of people that you want to work with is the introducers, because they want to make money, but they probably don't like to take risks, but they have good networks. So with these introducers, you can get access to the investors. And basically, these are two people that you want to work with, so you can get the profit shares and rebates. Okay. Now, let me introduce what's the WPAT rule. And before I even mention this, basically WPAT, the reason why WPAT is created is because for all these years in the Forex markets, we have seen people that's been losing money and winning money, but most likely, I would say people are, half of the people are losing the money, and we don't really like this. WPAT is basically created by a couple account managers, and we just want to help people to actually make money. So that's the reason why we created this. Okay, our goal is to pure transparency, and why is that? Because we actually want to try to filter through profitable trades and profitable systems, and be able to showcase them on live streams 24 hours a day. Now, the traders or the strategy providers on WPAT, if they cannot fulfill the live stream of their open trades, then they're not allowed to be part of the system for copy trading. Okay? Now, the live stream is to keep everything to be transparency, and each client can see the drawdowns and profits of each strategy. Now, look at the strategy showcase over here. This is one of our strategy of strategy A, and you can see there's 3 strategies on each page. Okay, now you can see on the left bottom corner there's a graph that shows how the whole strategy actually moves and for the past years, and you can also see the profits and also the risk. However, basically we want to show all these to all our clients in transparency, so every client can decide which method they actually want to use, which strategy they want to follow. Now, the value of the package of cooperating with the WPAT basically is how you make money. Now, the most important thing is the 10% profit share. Why 10% profit share? And the rebates. Okay? Now, as you cooperate with us, as you bring people to join WPAT strategies, every person who introduce investors can get the 10% of profit share from the account. Okay? And you may also get the rebates. Okay? Now, apart from just earning from the profit shares, there's another added values. We want to add values, so these values give reasons that your investors want to bring more investors. Okay? It will be via the royalty programs. So how this royalty program works? Basically, they're going to earn points to exchange for their merchandise, monies, gifts. Okay? And most importantly, the royalty program points do not expire. And this is the best part. Whoever introduce people, they can get 10 royalty points. Okay? And also the 10% of the profit shares. Okay? But what about others? Okay? Those people who, let's say there's 3 people. Client A bringing client B. Now, client A could get the points of 10 points from the client B and also 10% profit share from the client B. But what if the client B introduces a new client, client C, to join? Okay, now client B would get the profit share, 10% profit share from the client C, and also the 10 points from the client C. But you might be thinking, then what's A gonna be getting? Okay, now A may not get the 10% profit share, but they could still get the royalty program points, which you may use it to exchange for the merchandise, the money, and the gift. Okay, now these are the benefit of cooperating with the WPAT. Now, this is how we can start the business with us, with the no risk business plan. Okay, now there's basically 4 steps to success. Okay, step 1, you have to find the right platform to build a business. Now, if you cooperate with WPAT, every Tuesday we have this business meetings that it's easy for you to develop. You can just basically invite your business partners to listen to the venture. Okay, now as they listen to this meeting, it's already helping you how you can build up your own team. Now, the step 2 is to connect with the proper target clients. Now, as I mentioned, there's 2 main targets that you want to look for. Okay, the investors and also the people who can bring more connections with you. Now, on every Monday, there are strategies explainer. It will explain the target audience. It will explain to the audience, basically looking for the investments. It's explaining the strategies of each. It's explaining how each strategy could profits. Okay. Now, step 3, we provide the knowledge of investments. We provide the knowledge to the investors and how we can help them profits. Basically, it's aligned with the values of the WPAT to showcase the verified strategies and the correct investment approach. So basically, investors don't have to worry. All they need to think of is which strategy they want to use to profit. And step 4 is to open an account and deposit. It's very simple, okay? And this is actually a 3-way relationship. It's like basically like win and win and win. Why so? The investors, they get profits, and the people who introduce them over to join the WPAT, they will win the profits as well. And as a broker, of course, we would love to have trading volumes, right? The brokers would love them. So as the introducers bring clients to join the broker, it's a triple win. And this is a win-win-win methodology. And everybody gets money. Now, thank you for listening to the WPAT showcases, and pretty much it for today's live stream. And we'll see you on next Tuesday.